up before we head out. Mike, tell us what we're doing today.
Not burning our toes.
Setting up camp up there. The big ass half dome rock, pre-sub dome. Gonna take about 3/4 mile up. Drop off at pre-sub dome. Hike back down bagless. 0.75. 4.3 at the Clouds Rest. 4.3 back. 0.75 back up there. Be some steep miles.
Always scaring away the animals.
My lips are dry.
Mike found a cool camp spot that we're off trailing to right now. And be setting up there.
Behold, the mythical, secret, hidden pre-sub dome campsite with half dome view. What is half dome, you may ask? That is half dome. Established.
How you feeling, man? Mike, how you feeling?
What state are we in again?
I don't know what today is.
California yet.
This is just blending together.
I feel like Dora the Explorer.
Swiper, no swiping! Oh man!
It's like Pee-wee's Big Adventure.
Here's the edge. And there's the drop, so yeah. Very steep heading up the last part. All these stairs. Everyone says this view is worth it, so let's hope it is. Crazy view. How's it taste?
Tastes like I would pay $50 for this.
Golly. Just eating right with us. We're right here and just hanging out. Finally gonna get your picture?
Finally about to get my shot, maybe.
About to head back down to our campsite. We've been the only ones up here for like the past 30 minutes or so.
My butt's wet.
That right there. Whoa! Whoa. Nick's really excited to get this shot of the mountain.
Just take one. It's going to cover up in a second.
He's been trying to get this shot the entire time of this peak that's glowing now. He has about 30 seconds.
All shadow and just the light rays.
Oh yeah.
12,000.
He might just get what he wants.
It's this shot.
Did it?
I think I got it.
You happy you got your shot, man?
Dude, I think I got this shot. I'm hyped.
He's happy now. We hear something, so
I just saw it.
we're listening for it.
Huh?
I'm assuming it's another person then.
I'm assuming it's a deer.
Could be a deer.
Everyone grab a stick.
Everyone's grabbing a stick.
I saw it with the shadow moving.
You saw shadows moving?
Yeah, I saw it moving. I wasn't able to see what it was, but I saw this thing moving behind the tree.
Back to our spot. Set up camp. Awesome view.
Mountain pasta.
About to get some sleep. Summit tomorrow. This was our longest hiking day. We did 10 miles total. Had really high elevation gain in a short amount of time, so we're exhausted. And we're about to go to sleep now while it's still light out.